Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back again today with a new layout using my February scrapbooking store kit. So this one I kind of started and then I think I lost the video or something happened, but I decided to just keep recording and I couldn't find it. So here we go. So I'm starting this video kind of a few minutes into my scrapbooking. So I decided to use this heart background, and I'm just gluing down a border strip. And I decided to do it on the right hand side. So I have this one 4x6 photo, and it is a photo of Max and Piper. I don't remember when I took this photo or anything, but it was them laying on my bed with me, and I was watching scrapbooking videos, and I could have possibly been sick or something, but they were both laying with me on my bed, of course, and that was something that I absolutely loved doing with the two of them. And so, of course, using this love kit, I had to scrapbook this photo. So you will see on the photo, I did cut out a word that says love, and I did glue it on the photo itself, and I really like that. So you can't really see Max, but he's in the bottom left-hand corner, and then Piper is kind of in the middle on the far right, and then the TV is in the top right-hand corner. Here I am going to use this phrase from this 3x4 card that came on one of the sheets of paper from the kit. It says life is better together, which is definitely so true. If you didn't watch my last video, you might not know, but we recently did have to put Max down, which is seriously one of the hardest things ever to do, is to put your dog down. But it was for the best for him, so he's in a happier place. Okay, now I'm just going to start embellishing, and I wanted to add a couple more flowers to this little cake piece. I thought this was super cute, so I included it on this layout. And I am using a lot of the stickers on this layout. This one took me maybe like, I don't even know, 30 minutes at the most to create. I want to say it was probably about 20 minutes total. I did have this 3x4 card. I can't tell what it says. I think it says something, some of the things I love about you or something like that. And I just thought that would be a nice journaling card that I could journal about, you know, laying on my bed and just chilling with my dogs. Here I'm going to add this green gingham up there, or plaid. I guess it's plaid, not gingham. Well, actually, maybe it is a gingham pattern. I don't know. And then I'm also going to add this love ribbon up there as well, I think. Actually, I don't know if I do add the love ribbon. Oh, this is what. So I decide to use this banner, sticker banner. And actually, I wish that I would have stuck with the ribbon, but it's okay. I think in the end, I do add the love ribbon. Because here I'm thinking, okay, now I need something to connect all of these banners together. And so I'm going to like trace around the top of it, and it does not look good. So I think I end up covering it up with the love ribbon. So that just does not look good. But it's fine. It's all about trial and error, right? So yes, so here I am cutting off just a little piece, and I'm going to add it to the top there. And I like that so much better. Now I'm trying to decide where I want to put the journaling card, and in the end, I am going to put it to the left of the photo. And we are quickly coming to the end. I don't have photos of this layout, so I apologize about that, but you can head on over to Pinterest, not Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook, and I will definitely post photos there for you to see. I am just adding a couple more stickers, and then that is going to be it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't already a member of the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club, you definitely need to check out my link below and come subscribe. It is a super affordable kit, and I am just really glad to be on their design team. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great scrappy week. Bye.